the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is Ethereum, or ticker symbol ETH, the cryptocurrency. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So we're down nearly almost 2% for the morning. It seems like the whole market is down for the morning. Let's go ahead and go over our support and resistance lines, and then we'll get more in depth on where we're at currently down here. So up here is our highest level of resistance tested, and you can see that clearly over here. We got rejected multiple times back here, and then the last one over here, and which ultimately pushed us all the way down to our lowest level of support tested. And we look left, like Beyonce says, and we can see down here it was working as resistance, and you can see we definitely were chopping around underneath this resistance for a while until we created this breakout and ultimately went in this upward trend. Okay, and then you see these two wicks hitting down in this area and then ultimately going up. Over here we bounced twice from this area and ultimately went up, and then now currently where we're at, we are testing this support, you guys. So even though we are in this downward trend and we are below the trend line itself, you always have to look on where exactly we are at on the chart, you guys, and you can see that we've been consolidating right here on this support, and it's because it's a major support line, you guys. It's having trouble breaking either below or trying to reverse in this area. So since we are in the support area, you guys, that has been heavily tested in the past, this could be a good buying opportunity. However, you always want to have at least a mental stop loss, because if we do break back below this support line, you want to be able to get out and wait for a better entry. Okay, so I would have a tight stop loss or a mental stop loss. Maybe, hold on, let me fix my camera real quick. That would probably be around, I'd probably have it underneath these candlestick wicks just in case, because sometimes you have a peekaboo where you'll break below and then ultimately go back higher. So you don't want to just have a super tight stop loss. So maybe around the $1,664 area would be a good idea on if we do break back below that area to get out. However, right now at the 1852, I don't see an issue with getting in and loading up. However, you guys, we have to, like I said, be precautious and be ready for if things do go sour. Okay, so if you were to get in right now, your first target would be back up here at our previous pivot at the $2,443 area, and ultimately back up, our second target being back at the $2,800 area. Okay, if you are more of a safe trader, you can always wait for more information for a reversal. So you can wait for this to break a new high, come up and come back down and retest this support level, or if it creates a higher low, which would show that buyers are stepping up, you could do that as well. But if you want the best price, like I said, right now would be the best opportunity with us being at this support line. Okay, and like I said, if we do break back below, at least under the 1690 or 1684 area, I would suggest getting out and waiting for the better entry. Okay, but other than that, you guys, I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently. If I did that for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, you guys, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.